How to transfer data from Samsung S21 to S23. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly transfer all your data from your Samsung Galaxy S21 to your new Galaxy S23 using Samsung Smart Switch. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your devices. Ensure both devices are fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Smart Switch app on both phones. If it's not pre-installed, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Connect the devices. You can connect the devices wirelessly or using a USB-C cable. For a faster and more stable transfer, we recommend using the USB-C cable. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. On your new Galaxy S23, select Receive Data. On your old Galaxy S21, choose Send Data. Then, select Galaxy Android as the source and confirm the connection method. Step 4. Select Data to transfer. Choose the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, apps, and settings. You can select everything or customize your selection. Step 5. Complete the transfer. Tap Transfer to begin. The duration will depend on the amount of data. Once completed, your Galaxy S23 will have all your select data ready to use. And that's it. You successfully transferred your data from Galaxy S21 to your new Galaxy S23 using Smart Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.